Much better.
Yeah?
Much better. It was 10 times better.
Really?
Of course. Don't you feel it?
Yeah. Well, now I'm
Don't you
thinking
feel?
about things instead of just like thinking.
Yeah, yeah.
Feels good. Good.
And so now only after this you can do a little delay, because there was like not much knowledge on your side and not much knowledge on your side. So now you can, because this will consider like a regular opening out, just like a regular. Now you're gonna be extreme. Chiquida, normal. Chiquida. You see, now you feel like we are changing something, right? But even though before one felt also slightly delay.
Okay.
Because, I mean, you kind of want to do delay always.
Okay.
So that's your mindset.
Do delay always.
Yeah, as many as you can. Because when you delay, you kind of create speed. He not create speed for you. Let's say he stands like this. You just stand like this, whatever. And you want to do like your hook here, you want to do rande, cha, cha, cha. So you want to delay that rande, because rande, and lead me, and I delay. Yeah. You understand? Also here, you get here, you don't want to be here, you want to delay something and into opening out, for example. And then you start.
That's a cool routine.
Yeah. It's a cool because you use secrets, not because you use design.
Yeah.
Cool routine is never design. Cool routine is always secrets, lead, follow, technique, delay, accelerate. Like you don't want to do accelerate. Like if you want something fast, it means delay. Yeah, you have to delay something. Delay. Let's say if we're doing cha-cha and you have G, 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 G. So for you, in order to be, if you want to be like a little bit speedy, you want to delay. You want to delay, for example, stay here. You see, I'm saying that you delay and you go last minute. You see, now it's already faster.
Like because I'm using your momentum somehow?
No, because you're going later.
Okay.
Like, because normally, if you use my momentum, it's different. You go, this is normal cha-cha, right? Cheeky, cheek, cheek. But now you want to do speed, right? Okay. So he leads you, but you're not gonna go. Okay. Yeah, or you do the regular so she can feel cheeky, 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 cheeky. Yeah, cheeky, 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 cheeky. Yeah. So you're delaying. He kind of pulls you, but you don't go. The same as here. You do the running. He pulls you. He take you there, but you do what? You're not going. You're going there.
Okay. Because it gives you more speed in the end.
Yeah, you see it? He already leading me. He already want me there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you start playing with that. Playing. Yeah. So do cha-cha, that's in and out. Yeah, and it's your decision. Oh, already better. Okay, so it's not using momentum. It's actually delaying momentum and being very much late. Very, very late, but not because you cannot do. Late, deliberate, like on purpose. Like it's a. And then, like if I will do Rumba with you, like this movement again, let's say you're here, and let's say I go with the normal timing, but now super delay, put your hands on my waist, and you feel how I'm coming through you. No, but me, see, you delay, and then you push away. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Like I said, this is very cool decisions for you to start taking. Womb. So it's not like a womb. No, you can say connect. You can take out connection, put your arms on my waist.
What?
Yeah. So this is a mindset. What you want, like, let's say he lead me. Yeah, you can just follow him. It's one thing. It could be good. You want to do it a lot, or he leads you, and now you see I'm like stopping. No, but you're still going. Yeah, womb. Like he lead me already. So you delay. Womb, lead me. Womb. But you decide when you go. Womb. You're playing. Sometimes you go together with him. Sometimes you go later. Maybe every step later. Maybe some steps later. Like you have to feel.
It's fun.
Yeah. So try this. Back and forth. It's more spontaneous. It's more fresh.